Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a map grid reference. Now, a map grid reference is a specific point, a location on a map. And in this instance I'm going to take the grid reference of, as you can see there, the Mall of Amai, the Jubilee Tower, which is located there. Okay, so get yourself a bit of paper, get yourself a pencil, let's just zoom out a fraction. And first thing you need is your sheet number of your map. Now all Ordnance Survey maps, all the different maps of the areas covering Britain, they've all got a sheet number, and it's the first two letters, and in this case it's SJ. So you write down SJ on your bit of paper. Now then, that's the location I want to take a grid reference of, as you can see. So what you need to do is, the eastings are the vertical lines which run across the map, and your northings are the horizontal lines which run up the map. And in a grid reference, the eastings come before the northings. So you can say enter the house, go along the corridor and up the stairs, or eastings and northings, E comes before N in the alphabet. That's a way to sort of remember it. So always remember that the eastings are quoted before the northings. So we've got our sheet number, which is SJ. So that's the start. So then that's the grid reference there. So let's look at the square that it's in. You can see the square there. And we take this L here. We've got the easting and we've got the northing. Okay, so that's our location. And this is the square that it's in. And that's our easting and that's our northing. Because eastings are quoted before northings. So this line here, as you can see, it's 16. Hopefully you can see that. So after the SJ, we write down 16. Now we leave a little gap, and then, as I say, it's in this square, easting, and that's our northing line there, which is 62. So we leave a little gap, and we write down 62. Okay. Now then, you get your aroma. You can get a separate Roma like this one, or you can, all pretty decent quality compasses will have Roma scales on them. This is a 125 map, so you find your 125 scale on your Roma. You take your corner there, you place it on our location, which is the Mall of Amai Tower, like so. Now then, you read off the Roma. Like I say, easting first, and as you can see, the easting line, it's on 1. So we get our bit of paper, and after our easting, we write 1. And then on our northing line, on our Roma, as you can see, it's on 6. So after our northing, we write 6. And that's it. That's job done. So the grid reference for the Mall of Amai Jubilee Tower, that location there, the grid reference is SJ161626.